Ever felt like there's a gold mine out there, but you're just using the wrong tools? Listen up. Dropshipping. You've heard the buzz, seen the success stories, and maybe even dreamt of it. But what's the real deal behind it? Why are some making bank while others are just, dropping the ball? I'll break it down for you, step by step. No fluff, no jargon, just the straight up truth on how to tap into this e-commerce gold mine. Here's the deal. You've got an online store, but instead of stocking up on products and dealing with the headache of inventory, you partner up with wholesalers or manufacturers. These guys have the goods and they're ready to ship. When a customer places an order on your site, you get the notification and the payment. Instead of packing and shipping it yourself, you simply forward that order to your wholesaler partner. They handle the shipping and the product goes directly to the customer. The beauty of this, you never touch the product. Your main job is to showcase these products on your platform, attract customers, and handle the sales. Now, let's talk money. Your profit is the difference between the retail price, what the customer pays, and the wholesale price, what you pay the supplier. It sounds simple, but here's where the strategy comes in. Finding quality products at low wholesale prices and marking them up reasonably. The wider the gap between these two prices, the more you pocket. But remember, it's a balance. Price too high, and you might scare off customers. Price too low, and you're leaving money on the table. The customers, they're the lifeblood of this operation. They come to your online store, find something they love, and make a purchase. For them, it's a seamless shopping experience. They don't need to know about the wholesaler or the behind-the-scenes process. They just want their product, and they want it fast. On the other side, you've got the wholesalers or manufacturers. These guys are crucial. They've got the stock, and they handle all the logistics. It's a win-win. You bring them sales, and they handle the heavy lifting of shipping and handling. In a nutshell, dropshipping is an efficient and potentially lucrative e-commerce model. It cuts out the middle steps of handling and storing inventory, allowing you to focus on what you do best, selling. But like any business, it's all about strategy, partnerships, and execution. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel. So, you're thinking about diving into the e-commerce world, but you're not quite ready to go all in with a warehouse and a ton of inventory, right? Well, let me introduce you to the magic of dropshipping. Minimal initial investment. This is the big one. Traditional retail means buying products in bulk, storing them, and hoping they sell. With dropshipping, there's none of that. You list your products on your site, and when they sell, you buy them from the supplier. It's like being a middleman with a twist. You're not shelling out big bucks up front, which means less risk for you. You're essentially starting an e-commerce empire on a shoestring budget. Ease of starting. Remember those scenes in movies where business owners are drowning in boxes in their garage? That's not your life with dropshipping. No storage woes, no daily trips to the post office. And let's talk about the accounting side of things. It's streamlined. You're not juggling a complex inventory system. You sell, you order, you profit. Rinse and repeat. Low overhead. This is where the savings pile up. No warehouse means no rent. No packing means no packing materials or staff. Your primary cost? Running your online storefront and marketing. That's a fraction of what traditional retail businesses are shelling out. Flexibility in location. This is the dream, right? Running a business from anywhere in the world. As long as you've got a solid internet connection, you're in business. Whether you're nestled in a mountain cabin, lounging on a tropical beach, or just chilling at your local coffee shop, your business is right there with you. Diverse inventory. Here's where it gets fun. You can offer a smorgasbord of products. Tech gadgets, fashion, home goods, you name it. And the best part? You're not stuck with unsold inventory if something doesn't fly off the virtual shelves. Want to pivot to a new trend? It's as easy as updating your listings. Market testing. This is a game changer. Before investing heavily in a product line, you can test the waters. list it, market it, and gauge the response. It's a low-risk way to see what your customers are really after. Scalability. When your store starts booming, scaling up doesn't mean a bigger warehouse or more staff. It's all about streamlining your processes, building relationships with reliable suppliers, and maybe automating some of your tasks. Your growth isn't tied to your ability to handle more physical products, which means the sky truly is the limit. In essence, dropshipping isn't just another business model. It's a smarter, leaner way to dive into e-commerce. It's about maximizing profits while minimizing risk and overheads. Every business model, no matter how shiny, comes with its own set of challenges. Dropshipping? No exception. But here's the thing, challenges are just opportunities in disguise. Low margins. One of the most talked about challenges in dropshipping is the slim profit margins. Since you're not buying in bulk or manufacturing the products, the per item profit can be lower. However, the key is in volume and product selection. By focusing on niche markets or premium products, you can target audiences that are willing to pay a premium. Additionally, upselling and cross-selling techniques can help increase the average order value, compensating for those slimmer margins. Inventory challenges. Dropshipping relies on third-party suppliers, which means you don't have direct control over stock levels. This can lead to situations where an item is listed as available in your store, but it's out of stock with the supplier. To mitigate this, it's essential to maintain open communication with your suppliers. Regularly syncing inventory data and diversifying your supplier base can help reduce stockout instances. Moreover, using automated tools or platforms that offer real-time inventory updates can be a game changer. Shipping complexities. When you're working with multiple suppliers, each might have different shipping rates and lead times. This can complicate the checkout process for your customers. One way to address this is by offering a flat shipping rate or free shipping and adjusting your product prices to cover the cost. It's also beneficial to set clear expectations with your customers about delivery times, especially if products are shipped from overseas. Supplier errors. No matter how reliable a supplier might be, errors can occur. Whether it's a wrong item shipped or a delay in shipping, these errors can affect your store's reputation. The best approach is proactive communication. Inform your customers of any issues and offer solutions, be it a refund, a discount on future purchases, or an alternative product. On the back end, regularly review supplier performance and consider diversifying your supplier base to reduce dependency on one. Limited branding. With dropshipping, the products you sell aren't exclusive to your store, which can make branding a challenge. However, this doesn't mean you can't differentiate yourself. Focus on the overall customer experience. This includes everything from the website design and customer service to post-purchase communication. While you might be selling the same product as another store, a superior shopping experience can set you apart. In the long run, consider options like private labeling, where you can brand products as your own. In conclusion, while dropshipping comes with its set of challenges, with the right strategies and a proactive approach, these can be effectively managed. The key is to stay informed, be adaptable, and always prioritize the customer experience. Let's break down the cost of getting into dropshipping. No fluff, just the facts. Your online store is your business hub. Platforms like Shopify are the go-to for many, costing around $29 a month. It's straightforward, user-friendly, and designed for dropshipping. Then there's your domain name, essentially your online business card. You want it to be catchy and relevant. This will typically set you back between $5 to $20 annually. Test orders are non-negotiable. Before you push products to your audience, you need to ensure quality and delivery are on point. The cost here is variable, depending on the product's price, but it's a critical step in establishing trust and reliability. And let's not forget online advertising. In the digital marketplace, visibility is everything. To get your store in front of potential customers, you'll need to invest in ads. A starting budget might be around $500, but remember, it's about investing smart, not just throwing money out there. Here's the bottom line. Dropshipping can be your ticket to e-commerce success, but like any venture, it demands strategy and hustle. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please check out our other cool videos on this channel as well.